Welcome friends, on today's video, this is a $10 winner decor challenge, and these are the hosts and the co-hosts. This is my challenge for the collab. It was only $3.99. I got it from Goodwill a few months ago, and I'm painting it with chalk white paint, and this is the results. And I add a farmhouse rope around it, and it came out so nice and beautiful. I'm going to use this greenery inside of this vase. I got this greenery from Walmart. It was $2 a piece. And I'm telling you, working with this greenery is hard. It's hard to shape it. You're going to really have to play with it constantly to get the right shape and still play with it some more. But I love the look of this. So you will see me do some different changes in this video. And here's what I did at one point, because it just seemed like that middle part would not fluff up. So I said, I'll just add some flowers and some greenery in it. But unfortunately, I didn't let it stay like this. So I was kind of playing with this back and forth. And as you watch this, guys, don't forget to go watch the playlist. I want to thank Miss Kaye from Creating with Kaye, the co-host Lady Simmon, and Angela Crafty 6200 for putting this together. Guys, if you're not subscribed, please do subscribe to their channel. I hope y'all enjoy. Here you will see me add some more decor pieces that I already have. I just could not make up my mind what style or look I was going for. So please tell me in the comment box, which look did you like? Thank y'all so much for watching. This is where I added my lantern and my farmhouse vase. In this look, I took the extra greenery and flower back out and just kept the farmhouse vase. Friends, this is my final look. And out of one vase, you can get various of style when you add other decor. Thank every one of you for watching this. And if you have not subscribed, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, and always leave a comment. I want to thank Miss Creating with Kaye, the co-host Lady Cinnamon, Angela Crafty 6200 for putting this together. Thank y'all for watching. Until our next video, y'all be blessed. Bye-bye.